Welcome, viewers, to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep watching, subscribing, and liking. So, let's jump to our today's quote. So, for the sake of brevity, I have already written this quote for you. Let's unquote it and after a few seconds run it. This is I have import random as as already. After ending, this program will print a random number from 0 to 9. So this two line of code can simply be used in many projects of Pythons. Is very useful. Random function is very useful. You have to master it if you especially want to seeking in your scope in machine learning or game development or any other kind of field. So let's see then what's the output. So here is the output. Let's again run now one. So as many time you will run, it will print random uh, objects uh, numbers. Let's write 3. So let's see. Let's write it here 3 and see whether is it what is printing. So now 2 and now 1. So that's no, and again 1 and 3 this time. So you can use it in your project. So thank you. Please like and subscribe and comments for your views. Thank you.